Welcome to our comparison of the Silonn and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers. Today, we will explore the features, benefits, and drawbacks of each model. Both machines are designed to produce ice quickly and efficiently, making them perfect for home use, camping, or parties. We'll look at their price points, daily ice production capacity, and energy efficiency to determine which ice maker is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Silonn ice maker is priced at $109, while the Sweetcrispy model is significantly cheaper at just $69. This price difference is a crucial factor for many buyers, especially those looking for budget-friendly options without sacrificing quality. Both machines are capable of producing ice quickly, with the Silonn yielding 26 pounds of ice per day and the Sweetcrispy slightly outperforming it at 26.5 pounds. This small difference can be significant for users who require a higher ice output for gatherings or events. Energy efficiency is another important consideration. The Silonn ice maker consumes 160 watts, while the Sweetcrispy operates at a lower 105 watts. This means the Sweetcrispy is not only more energy efficient, but also more cost-effective in the long run, especially for frequent use. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Sweetcrispy ice makers have their strengths. The Silonn offers a compact design and portability, while the Sweetcrispy excels in value and energy efficiency. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.